Second, it is an interesting phenomenon throughout the world for various practical purposes. It is issued at a discount. Before I go there, let me come back to this. Short term means, can I issue for 10 days, 5 days, 22 days, 36 days? You can if you want to, but nobody has issued so far. They have been issued for, right now we are issuing for 91 days, 182 days, 364 days.
Who issues this bill and
Welcome. That's an arrangement.
And
What is the bill?
it is dependent on the financial year also, that within that financial year it is.
Not really. We'll see. When I come to you, when it is issued, etc., we'll see the instrument.
What is the ask a question?
Pardon? What is it?
I was what's talking.
I'm giving you the characteristics because I can give you a definition very quickly and you will not get through. The treasury bill is sovereign borrowing for less than 1 year, which is issued as an instrument, which is issued at a discount to face value. This is the यही है सर। इस दो घंटे में नहीं हुआ, पूरा बता के नहीं, बताने के लिए आया, इसलिए मैंने चाय भी पी के खड़ा हो गया। बस हमने ये 13 साल किया है, तो चिंता नहीं करना। जो पहले बोल रहे थे ना, उसमें थोड़ा मैं ढीला था, इसलिए सर बैठे। ओके, whenever a sovereign or a government borrows short term, it borrows in a form called treasury bill. पहले वो होता था, पेपर होता था, आजकल डीमैट होता है। You know डीमैट? Yes. So it's a computer entry or a bond ledger entry. Somewhere it is written. आपके नाम पे लिखा है सब। ठीक है? It is short term. It is 91, 182, 364. In my first promotion interview, I was asked why 91, why 182, why 364. Why not 90, 180?
more than 3 months?
Okay. In that case, let me confuse you. You can issue for 7 days, 14 days, 28 days, 56 days.
You should be divisible. अच्छा डबल होता है. It is double मतलब
It is multiples of 7. Okay, we have tried, we have not tried this, we have tried this, we have tried this, we have tried 272 other. Anyway, multiply it. The issue is, if I am issuing for a short time and it falls due on Sunday, okay, so I have to pay on Saturday, that's the law. If anything is due on a particular date, it is paid 1 day preceding the due date, if that day is declared a holiday. Now, if we know that Sunday is a holiday, if I issue on 1 day, it should not fall on Sunday. And now, of course, it should not fall on Saturday. But to be on safe side, every government issues, if I issue on Wednesday, it will fall due on Wednesday. सोचने के लिए टाइम नहीं है, ताकत भी नहीं है. That is why it has to be a multiple of 7. 91 days is about 3 months, which is the, for everybody this is comfortable. We have tried 1428, but then Reserve Bank found that 1428 is too short a period. There are a lot of expenses involved in this, it's not worth it. See, now you were slow. I am trying to introduce to you that there is a utility for the, what is called the money market, for the bankers, for the finance field with the government borrowing. We'll come to that slowly. So who invests, etc. will come to that, but this is how it is. They issue 91, they issue 182, and they issue 364. When do they issue? So the arrangement, 91 days is issued every week. These are issued on alternate weeks. This is every Friday this is issued. this is issued on one Friday, on that Friday this is not issued, the next Friday this is issued and this is not issued. Alternatively, fortnightly issue, and this is issued every week. Okay, I'll come back to some of these comments later. It is issued at a discount to face value. This is the guarantee. What it means is, on the due date, 100 rupees will be paid. It's called nominal value. If you buy one treasury bill, 100 rupees will be paid. That is the face value. And if 100 rupees is to be paid, then something minus 100 is the price at which it is issued. Now, your earnings will be delta. You can calculate the percentage of that. That's we call the yield. Delta by 100 minus delta is the yield. This is a discount. It is issued always throughout the world. It is issued at a price less than the face value, or discount to the face value, and on the due date the face value is paid. This is the technicality. Okay? Who invests in treasury bills? गवर्नमेंट इशू कर रहा है तो कोई ना कोई खरीदना है. Banks invest. Who else? No, individuals invest. These days, individuals invest.
Individual as an individual or as a group of individuals?
No, individuals.
So can I purchase from where?
Minimum investment is 25,000 rupees. From where I get it? You have to go to a bank. Through a bank. Individuals invest very rarely. Very, very rarely. Just to test it, my boss had invested. Incidentally, Reserve Bank of India does not allow anybody to open accounts in its books. However, when Mr. C.D. Deshmukh was the governor, he had no time, no work and lots of time. He went through the whole thing. He sent an application to open a current account with the Reserve Bank of India. I have seen this account.
Who was
C.D. Deshmukh.
First governor.
First governor, first Indian governor of RBI, first finance, he was a finance minister, he was a civil service guy. So ICS person. When he opened it, when he said this, they went and said, sir, you cannot open. He said, show me why I cannot open. He said, no sir, it's meant for banks. He said, show me your statute, not written anywhere. So he opened a joint account, C.D. Deshmukh and Durgabai Deshmukh. And Durgabai Deshmukh's account I have seen, because C.D. Deshmukh had died by the time I reached Reserve Bank in Delhi. And when, I think Durgabai is still there.
Unlikely, possibly.
After that, they changed the law. They had to change the law. Anyway, it's very interesting individuals we have. Do you think companies, private companies invest?
RBI employees can have account in RBI. No. Only governor can. Only
No.
Only governor.
Governor, I didn't.
Book में है. Only governor.
No individual can open an account with the Reserve Bank of India. Some financial institutions had opened, I think they are trying to close that. Only two organizations can open an account with the Reserve Bank of India. One is a commercial bank. Second one is a primary dealer. Only these two, as of now, are allowed. Primary dealer. For a person who does buying and selling of treasury bills and all. So I got time. I'm very happy you're thirsty for knowledge. Nobody, earlier there was a lot of mess. IFC had opened, this one, all kinds of people had opened. REC had opened, they had all been asked to close, I don't know, current position, over a period of time, all that thing. There's a reason for that. Pardon?
How much is discount generally?
Yeah. Let's say it is sold at 98 rupees. A 91-day T-bill is sold at 98 rupees. Can you calculate the earnings for me?
About 8%.
I get 100, so I earn 2 rupees. My investment is 98 rupees, and I earn this for 3 months, and therefore I multiply it by 12 by 3.
About 8%.
Around 8%. Whatever, 8, 7, 8, 5. No, we'll come to it.
This is income tax free.
If 91-day treasury bill is sold at 98, pardon?
This is income tax free.
No. This is earning, and you will be taxed if you are individual, if you are added to your income, if you are company, you pay corporate tax on that. Service tax perhaps, I don't know. I am not very sure because this budget has complicated service tax.
These instruments are available with the private banks also.
See, okay, let me tell you. RBI is the merchant banker for Government of India. RBI makes all the arrangements, issues a gazette notification or an ad is issued in the gazette, whatever, and it is issued in newspapers. This is legal requirement, and RBI has to receive the money, keeps the accounts, and